Good, bright and beautiful Tuesday, everyone. Welcome to GardenStateWeather.com and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior summertime forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith with the daily video forecast discussion for the 12th of July, 2016. Morning visible paths of the satellite imagery this morning shows mostly clear skies across the forecast region as the satellite is making its way overhead. There is some mid and level upper moisture debris from thunderstorms over the upper Midwest yesterday passing over us today. Mostly sunny skies, a few high clouds from time to time, and some afternoon cumulus over the interior, but no precipitation as high pressure is in control. And we have another day where no watches, warnings, or advisories are on the coastal waters or over the interior. We have temperatures this morning in the mid 50s over the interior sections of northwestern New Jersey, and already they're approaching 70 with increasing dew points into lower 60s in the New York City metropolitan area. And these dew points on a southwesterly wind are going to mean that today will be more humid than yesterday, but not as humid as tomorrow and Thursday. And if you're on vacation this week, and of course today you're going to be at the beach again for the New Jersey and Delaware shorelines, the surf zone forecast for today, Tuesday, July 12th, mostly sunny skies, high temperatures around 80, beach winds out of the south becoming southeast at around 15 miles an hour this afternoon, surf between 2 to 3 feet. Dominant every 7 seconds. Surf temperature is around 70. UVI index very high at 9. Sunscreen is a must. Moderate risk of rip currents means that you never swim alone. Always have a flotation device. Always swim in lifeguarded areas and never swim near piers and jetties. High tide cycles begin after 2 p.m. this afternoon. Surf zone forecast for the ocean beaches of New York City and Long Island for today. Moderate risk of rip currents, the same story. Lightning risk none. Ultraviolet index very high. Water temperatures in the low 70s. Mostly sunny skies. Max temperatures in the lower 80s on land. Winds out of the southwest increasing to the south at 15 miles per hour this afternoon. High tide cycles begin after 2 p.m. On the aviational weather deck today, everything looking good. VFR, light and variable winds calm, becoming south and increasing during the afternoon and southeast along the coast near Wilmington, Delaware, and Atlantic City, where a bay or sea breeze develops this afternoon. Tonight, VFR, a chance of a localized light ground fog late. South to southeast winds at 5 to 10 knots early, becoming mostly light and variable overnight. For Atlantic City, not sched conditions or as replacement parts are scheduled to arrive today to fix the ASOS equipment there for the Atlantic City site. For Wednesday through Thursday night, generally VFR, a chance of mainly diurnally driven afternoon shower and thunderstorm that could lower ceilings and visibilities for a time. Late night and early morning haze and fog may bring conditions down to MVFR or IFR. Moderate to high confidence in that. Friday and Friday night, mainly VFR. Saturday, VFR, a chance of showers and thunderstorms, especially in the afternoon. Precipitation chances should end up higher and low confidence in the location and timing of those showers and thunderstorms on Saturday. Right now, outside of Newark, it's already warming up. 70 degrees. Dew point is telling you the story of higher humidity values in the air during today, especially tomorrow and Thursday. Dew point right now 64, humidity 83%, visibility 10 miles, clear skies, just a few scattered clouds around the region later this afternoon. VFR conditions in place. Philadelphia is looking good, 68, dew point 64, humidity 88%. The wind is light out of the southeast at 5. A few clouds around early and mostly sunny skies and VFR conditions for this afternoon. Pollen forecast for today and tomorrow is on the low to medium side with grasses, dock, and plantain. And the pollen dispersal will continue on the low to the medium side right into the weekend. Everything remains quiet in the tropical Atlantic and the Caribbean as the Saharan dust off the coast of Africa continues to impede the development of showers and thunderstorms capable of developing into a tropical storm, and this will continue at least over the next 5 days. Your 7-day temperature forecast getting into the mid and upper 80s again today with higher humidity values beginning to show up. The cooling will occur right along the immediate coast with a sea and bay breeze developing likely along the immediate coastline. So if you're not directly along the coast, you're probably not going to feel too much of a difference unless you're in these locations. Temperatures inland today with the southerly flow in the mid and upper 80s. We'll warm it up further on Wednesday again in the mid and upper 80s. Could be close to 90 in a few spots, especially as you head down to the I-95 corridor. Cooler again with the onshore flow along the beaches, north-south shore of Long Island and the Jersey coast as well. On Thursday, that's where everything really heats up over the interior. We could have an afternoon shower or thunderstorm, and temperatures getting into and above 90 degrees with higher humidity levels on Thursday away from the coast once again. Friday, temperatures really begin to soar. This is probably going to be the warmest day of the week with temperatures in the mid and upper 80s at the coast. Even to the coast, we could get 90 or so, and in the low to the mid 90s with heat indices approaching 100 at least on Friday over the interior. So that is going to be your hot day. Saturday, after that cold front moves through, temperatures back into the mid and upper 80s, lower 90s where the front hasn't passed through completely yet during the afternoon hours on Saturday, and temperatures in the Philadelphia area around 90 again, cooler along the south shore and east ends of Long Island. And again, over the New Jersey coastline too, we could see temperatures approaching 90 degrees, especially Ocean County and south. On Sunday, temperatures in the upper 80s to around 90 degrees once again. And Monday, not much change. Temperatures in the mid and upper 80s to around 90 in a few spots once again. Forecast charts from the Weather Prediction Center. High pressure parked over us during today, sliding off the coast during the afternoon and evening. Keeping us high and dry, afternoon cumulus clouds, very warm summer-like July conditions continue. And most of this will continue to be on the dry side until we head into Wednesday. There's a chance of an outlier afternoon and evening shower and thunderstorm. This might be painted a little bit too much across our forecast zones according to the Weather Prediction Center. The better chances of showers and thunderstorms will come on Thursday afternoon and evening as a prefrontal trough ahead of a cold front develops, enough lifting in the atmosphere, and Cape could provide some shower and thunderstorm activity. We'll show you that in the model guidance. The front comes through basically dry on Friday and then heads off to the south and east where it begins to stall out. And this is where the chances of showers in our southern zones and even a thunderstorm could redevelop over the region on Sunday. Right now the forecast is for generally dry conditions north of Atlantic City, but that could change depending on the location of the said front at that time. And then more high pressure begins to build into the forecast region on Monday and Tuesday of next week. So for everything live, it's GardenStateWeather.com, GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. You have a spectacular Tuesday. We'll be back tomorrow morning on Wednesday.